Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to delete the ChatGPT account. In order to do that, you have to go to chatgpt.com, then come here and then click Settings. Then after that, you'll have this option called Data Controls. So here you can have the option to delete your account. If you click the delete account, ChatGPT will ask whether if you really want to delete the account, and if you click yes, it will delete your account. But before doing that, you can also export the data you have with ChatGPT. So you just have to click export, and it will tell you like all the information it will provide on the export section. You can also manage the memories if you are confused, or you can also change the chats if that's what you want. Actually, you can also archive all chats so they don't bug you that much. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and if you have any problems you want to discuss, please put them on the comment section below. Thanks a lot.